This is question 19 from paper 1, 8 June 2023. It's a vector question. OMA, ONB, MPB, and NPA are straight lines. M is the midpoint of OA. ON ratio NB is 1:5. OM is equals to A and ON equals to B. Okay. Find the vector AN in terms of A and B. So first of all, let's label it. ON is 1:5. This line is divided into 1:5. M is the midpoint, so it means that OA is divided into half. So if this is A, if OM is A, so MA, the position vector of MA is also A, right? So the total length of OA is 2A, and let's look at the total length of OB. The total length of OB, the ratio of this line is given here, 1:5. So if I write it in form of a fraction, let's say I can write ON ratio NB as a fraction, NB equals to 1/5. And if I wanted to get to know what is NB, so let's do the cross multiplication. So 5 ON equals to 1 into NB is NB, and 5 ON is B, so this is B, and it means that the position vector of NB is 5B. This is 1B, this is 5B. Okay, so the total from O to B is 6B. Okay, find in terms of A and B the vector AN. Let's do question. Let's do the A part of this question. Let me highlight the root. A to N, so this is the root AO plus ON. Let's write down the root here. AO plus ON. AO is negative 2A because it's the opposite direction, and ON is B. So that's it. This is minus 2A plus B is the answer for AN. Now, use a vector method to find the ratio AP ratio PN. I have to show the ratio. I have to use vector to find out the ratio of AP. Whenever the ratio is missing, we always take two roots of AP. So if I write down root, let me write down here, root 1 of AP, root 1 of AP, and the reason we write two roots, so because both the roots are equal, both the roots are same. Once we get two roots, we can equate it and get the missing length, the ratio of AP. Okay, so AP is having some ratio here that I don't know of the total length. It means this length has some fraction. Let's say this length is X. The fraction of this length is X of the total length, and the total length is AN here. Okay, so I can make I can write down AP as X into the total length is AN. X AN we just got in A part, that is here, so minus 2A plus B. This is my root 1. Similarly, I will find out root 2 for AP. To find out root 2 for AP, always look at the easiest root. So let me change the color. Okay, AP is here, and the root I'm taking AM to MP. AM is minus A because this is the opposite direction. MP I don't know. Same, I can assume that this length having some fraction that I don't know. Let's say this length is Y of the total length, and the total length here is MB. Okay, so AP is AM plus MP, and AM is negative 2, not negative 2A, it's negative A. Okay, it's minus A because it's opposite direction, plus MP. MP has some fraction of MP is y of the total length, that is MB. Okay, so what is MB? Now let's look at the root of MB. So root for MB, I can go this way, and plus OB, MO plus OB. MO is minus A and OB is 6B. So minus A as it is, Y as it is. This is minus A plus 6B. This is my root 2 of AP. Now it's time to equate both the roots. So the first root is x into minus 2a plus b. Let's expand bracket. So minus 2ax plus bx equals minus a, same expand bracket here, minus a negative ay plus 6by. Okay, collect like terms. A is here and I can see A is here. Okay, write it down. So minus 2ax equals to minus a minus ay. Minus 2ax is time to solve for a. Minus a has taken common, 1 plus y inside. Factorize it, so negative a is cancelled with negative a. And what is left? 2x equals to 1 plus y. I can make y the subject. So if I make y the subject, so this is 2x minus 1 equals to y. Alright. Similarly, I can take b. So bx and 6by. So let's solve for b. Bx equals to 6by. Because b is present in both sides, I can cancel it. X equals to 6y. I have the value of y, 2x minus 1. I can just solve it here. X equals to 6 into 2x minus 1, expand bracket. 6 times 2 is 12x minus 6. And collect like terms. So x minus 12x equals to negative 6 and negative 11x equals to negative 6, and x is 6 over 11. So if x is 6 over 11 and x is a fraction of AP, okay, so I used for AP is x, so it means that ratio for AP ratio Pn is 6:5 because the total is 11, right? This question is for 5 marks altogether, 4 marks for B part and 1 mark for A part. A part is simple, just simple, you just need to look at the root. But for B part, because you have to find the ratio, so you need to look at 2 roots, so you can equate it at the end to get the missing ratio. This question is question 19 from paper 1H, June 2023. If you want to watch more videos on vectors, go to playlist and watch over there. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.